This is Vokumar, 10th Standard Mathematics, Chapter number 3, continuation of exercise 3.12. Now, problem number 8. Read the question. There is a square field whose side is 10 meter. A square flower bed is prepared in its center, leaving a gravel path all around the flower bed. The cost of laying the flower bed and the graveling the path at rupees 3 and rupees 4 per square meter respectively. Find the is 364 rupees. That's the total cost of 364. Find the width of the gravel path. Okay. Square field ABCD is a square field whose side length is 10 meters. 10 meters, 10 meters, 10 meters, 10 because it is a square, all sides are equal. Inside the square field there is a flower bed that is also in the shape of a square. I consider PQRS is a flower bed. Since it is a square, I consider the side length is x meter, x meter, x meter, x meter, x meter. I have written here. Let ABCD be a square field of side 10 meter. It is given. Let PQRS be a flower bed which is inside the square field and its side length be x meters. Okay. Now, cost of laying the flower bed equals rupees 3 per meter square. For 1 meter square, 3 rupees. It is given. Then cost of graveling the path, the shaded region only. That is equal to 4 rupees per meter square. For 1 meter square, what's the cost? 4 rupees. It is also given the total cost of laying the flower bed and the graveling the path, total cost 364 rupees. You are asked to find the width of the gravel path. Width. I consider this a width, remember, width I consider as y meters. Y, it is also width. Y meter, y meter, y meter. You have to find out the value of y. How to find? First, I find the area of the flower bed because meter square is given. For meter square, no, this is a unit for area. First, you have to calculate the area. Area of the flower bed, that is equal to area of the side, area of the square, that side into side, x into x, x squared. Like that, area of the square field equals, area of the gravel path equals the shaded region. First, you have to calculate the area of the bigger square, then area of the smaller square, both to be subtracted, then only can get the shaded region area. Correct? Area of the bigger square ABCD, the entire area minus area of the square PQRS for getting the area of the shaded region. Shaded region is the gravel path. I do it now. First, we can find the area of the flower bed. Area of the flower bed equals x into x, side into side, that is x into x, that is equal to x squared meter square. X meter into x meter, x squared meter square. Therefore, total cost of laying the flower bed equals, for 1 meter square 3 rupees is given. How many meter square? X square meter square. Therefore, rupees 3x squared. 3 into x square, 3x square. Now, area of the gravel path that is a shaded region. For finding the shaded region area, first you have to find out the outer square. Outer square, that is ABCD. Area of the square ABCD minus area of the square PQRS. Area of the outer square minus area of the inner square. Outer square is ABCD, inner square is PQRS. Correct? Outer square is ABCD, inner square is PQRS. If we subtract, you will be getting that shaded region area. Area of the square ABCD, that side length is 10. So 10 into 10. 10 into 10. Then inner x into x, inner square, minus x into x. That is equal to 100 minus x square. This is into, otherwise I write x and x inside the brackets. Will be getting confused over there. X into x, here 10 into 10. 10 into 10, 100, x into x, x square. Now, the total cost of graveling the path equals, for 1 meter square for graveling the path equals 4 rupees given. Therefore, rupees 4 into, what is the total area? 100 minus x square. Total cost is given. What is the total cost of laying the flower bed and the graveling the path equals 364. I consider as 1. Equation number 1. Therefore, equation 1 implies both the total cost to be added. So 3x squared, this is for laying the flower bed, and 4 into 100 minus x square, this is for graveling the path. Together 364. Correct? 364. We have to simplify now. Listen. 3x squared plus 4 into 100, 400 minus 4 into x squared, 4x squared, that is equal to 364. 3x squared minus 4x squared, that is equal to minus x squared, equals 364. It comes right hand side, minus 400 minus x squared, that is equal to 364 minus 400 minus 36, which implies minus minus get cancelled, x squared equals 36. For getting x, definitely have to take the square root. Taking square root on both sides, square root of x squared equals square root of x squared, that is equal to square root of 36. Since square is there, I have to introduce plus or minus. Square and square root get cancelled, x equals plus or minus square root of 36 is 6. 36 is a perfect square number. 36 square root is 6. So we have x equal to 6 or x that is equal to minus 6. X is the distance. Distance cannot be negative. Therefore, this is not possible. Now, I got the value of x only. Here in this problem, x refers side of the flower bed. But you are asked to find out the width of the square field. Gravel path. Sorry, width of the gravel path. How to find? Okay. From the diagram, listen. From here to here, what is the distance? From here to here, this is y. This one is 10. Correct? Sorry, x, y plus x plus y. Again I tell you, y plus x, from here to here, x plus y. Y plus x plus y, that is equal to, what is the total length? 10. So I write from diagram, y plus x plus y, that is equal to 10 meters. Here Y represents width of the gravel path, which implies y plus y, that is equal to 2y plus x value is 6, that is equal to 10, which implies 2y, that is equal to 10, plus x comes right hand side minus 6, plus 6 comes right hand side minus 6, 2y, that is equal to 10 minus 6 is 4. Therefore, y equals 4 divided by 2, y, that is equal to 2 meters. Therefore, the width of the final result, width of the gravel path, that is y, equals 2 meters. So problem number 8 is completed. I'll be teaching the next problem, that is problem number 9, in the next video. Thank you, children. Hi students, this is Sivakumar, 10th standard mathematics, chapter number 3, continuation of exercise 3.12. Now problem number 9. I read the question, listen. Two women together took 100 eggs to a market. Total number of eggs 100. One had more than the other. Both sold them for the same sum of money. The amount sold by the first woman equals amount sold by the second woman. The first then said to the second, what he said? If I had your eggs, I would have earned rupees 15. To which the second woman replied to the first woman, if I had your eggs, I would have earned 6 2 by 3 rupees, mixed fraction given. How many eggs did each had in the beginning? Okay. Listen carefully. Woman 1 and woman 2. I consider the number of eggs for woman 1 equals x. Therefore, number of eggs for the second woman equals 100 minus x. How many eggs he has? She has 100 minus x. By data. What's the data? Total number of eggs equals 100. Since it is x, definitely this one is 100 minus x, because add together we will be getting 100. Plus x minus x get cancelled, we will be getting 100. Total number of x equals 100. Let the cost of each egg for the first woman I consider as y1 rupees. Let the cost of each egg for second woman I consider as y2 rupees. You know the total cost equals number of eggs, that is x, into cost of one egg. What it is? y1. That is the total cost for the first woman. Like that, total cost earned by the second woman equals 100 minus x, that is the number of eggs, that is into cost of one egg. What it is? y2. 100 minus x into y2. That is the total cost for second woman. By data, both earned same amount of money. That means, what is the amount here? X, y1. Here 100 minus x into y2. What symbol here? Equal. That means both have earned the same amount of money. Now, the first woman, listen carefully. The first woman said to second woman, if I had your eggs, if I had your eggs, that how many eggs she has? 100 minus x. cost of each egg for first woman is y1. So 100 minus x into y1, I would have earned 15 rupees. What is the profit? 15 rupees. From this, I will be getting y1, that is equal to 15 divided by 100 minus x. And second woman replied to first woman, if I had your eggs, how many eggs she has? X eggs. She will be selling each egg at the cost of y2 rupees. X into y2. X into y2. X into y2. I would have earned 6 2 by 3 rupees. Who said? Second woman said it to first woman. So 6 2 by 3 is a mixed fraction. We can convert into improper fraction. 3 6 or 18 plus 2 20 20 by 3. 3 6 or 18 18 plus 2 20 20 by 3. Therefore y2 equals 20 x into 3 3x. I got the values of y1 and y2. I am going to substitute the values of y1 and y2 in equation number 1. Okay. Therefore equation 1 implies. Therefore equation 1 implies, in equation number we have x into y1. X into y1. Y1 here it is 15 divided by 100 minus x. X into 15 divided by 100 minus x. That is equal to 100 minus x into y2. 100 minus x into y2, here it is 20 by 3x. 100 minus x into 20 by 3x. We have to simplify. Listen. Here 15 into x, 15x divided by 100 minus x, that is equal to 100 minus x into 20, you can write 20 into 100 minus x, same only, divided by 3x. Can cancel 20 and 15 by 5 table. How many times? 4 times and 3 times. Here we have 3x, here also we have 3x, but equal sign you are not supposed to cancel, you have to cross multiply only. 3x into 3x, that is equal to, what is here? 4 into 100 minus x, it is also 100 minus x. You have to cross multiply 100 minus x into 100 minus x. 3 3s are 9, x into x square, that is equal to 4 into 100 into 100, 10,000. 100 into minus x minus 100x. Minus x into 100 minus 100x. Minus into minus plus x into x square. 9x square, that is equal to 4 into 10,000, 40,000 minus 4 into 100, 400x, again 4 into 100, 400x plus 4 into x square, 4x square. 9x square, here we have 4x square, which one is greater? So 9x square, so that I bring all the terms to the left hand side. So 9x square, this 4x square comes left hand side, minus 4x square. Add together minus 800x. Minus 800x comes to the left hand side plus 800x. Otherwise, minus 400x comes left hand side plus 400x. Again minus 400 comes left hand side plus 400x. This 40,000 comes to the left hand side, it becomes minus 40,000, that is equal to 0. 9x square minus 4x square, that is equal to 5x square. Together 800x minus 40,000, that is equal to 0. Here 5, here 800, this is 40,000. Each and every one can be divided by 5. If you divide by 5, 5x squared by 5, 5 get cancelled, x squared plus 800 divide by 5. How many times? Divide by 5, will be getting 1 5 is 5, balance 330, 60, 165 are 800, x minus, this is 8,000, 5 8s are 40, balance 000 000. So 8 followed by 000, that is equal to 0. We have to solve this equation. Once again I tell you, 5x squared by 5 x squared, 800x by 5, 800 and divide by 5 will be getting 160 x as it is, minus 40,000 divided by 5 equals 8,000. Now we have to factorize. Coefficient of x squared equals 1. 1 into minus 8,000 minus 8,000. And here the coefficient of x is 160. Product of the two numbers equals 8,000. Sum of the same two numbers equals 160. How to get? I do it here. Take 8,000. Divide only by the prime number. I take 5. 5 ones are 5. Balance 3, 30, 6 times 00. 1600. Again divide by 5. 5 3s are 15. Balance 1. 10. So 2 times 0. Then divide by 5. 6 and 4. Divide by 2 table 32 times. Divide by 2 table 16 times. Divide by 2 table 8 times. And divide by 2 table 4 times. Divide by 2 table 2 times. Again divide by 2 table 1 time. Division over. In which combination you can get 160? You have to find out. So here we have to find out the two numbers. In which combination can get 160? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, and 8 5s are 40. Then 5 5s are 25, 25 2s are 50, 50 2s are 100, 100 2s are 200. 40 and 200 are the two numbers. Okay, I write here 200 and 40. For getting 160, have to introduce minus for 40. 200 minus 40, that is equal to 160. 200 into minus 40, that is equal to minus 8,000. Since it is a quadratic equation, you can find the values of x directly. So the coefficient of x squared here 1. Change the sign, write minus 1, then the denominator. Plus 1 becomes minus 1. 200 by minus 1, that is equal to minus 200. X, that is equal to, here minus minus get cancelled, 40 by 1 equals 40. X cannot be negative because x refers number of x. So not possible. Therefore x equals 40. That means a number of eggs the woman 1 has in the beginning equals 40 eggs. Number of eggs by woman 2 in the beginning, it was 100 minus 40. 100 minus 40 equals 60. Correct? Therefore, number of eggs woman 1 had in the beginning that is equal to x, that is equal to 40, and number of eggs woman 2 had in the beginning equals 100 minus x. Correct? Here x, here 100 minus x. That is equal to 100 minus x value is 40. 100 minus 40 equal to 60. 40 and 60. Total number of eggs together 100. Correct? According to that question, one woman has more number of eggs than other. Yeah, 60 eggs and 40 eggs. She has that woman 2 has more number of eggs than woman 1 according to the given data. Problem number 9 is completed. I'll be teaching the last problem, that's problem number 10, in the next video. Thank you, children. Students, this is Sivakumar, 10th Standard Mathematics, Chapter number 3, continuation of exercise 3.12. Now, last problem. I read the question, listen. The hypotenuse of a right angle triangle is 25 centimeter and its perimeter is 56 centimeter and its perimeter 56 centimeter. Find the length of the smallest side. Okay. I consider ABC be a right angle triangle. With angle A, I consider as 90 degree. You know, in a triangle, particularly a right angle triangle, the side opposite to 90 degree is called hypotenuse. So which side is hypotenuse? BC is hypotenuse whose length is 25 centimeter. That is given in the question itself. BC is hypotenuse. Length of the hypotenuse equals 25 centimeter. Okay. And perimeter of the triangle ABC equal 56 centimeter. Perimeter AB plus BC plus CA, that is the perimeter. That is equal to 56 centimeter. I consider as equation number 1. We have to find out the smallest side of the triangle. It can be either X or Y. I consider AB as X units, X centimeter, and AC as Y centimeter. Particularly right angle triangle, the hypotenuse length is the greatest length when comparing the other two sides. So definitely either X or Y be the smallest side of the right angle triangle. Okay, how to find? Let X and Y be the other two sides of the triangle ABC. Let X and Y be the other two sides of the triangle ABC. Therefore, equation 1 implies, in equation number 1, what is given? Perimeter of triangle ABC given. Perimeter means the length of AB plus length of BC plus length of CA, that is equal to 56, which implies AB length plus BC length plus CA length, that is equal to 56. AB equals X, BC equals 25, CA equals Y. X plus 25 plus Y, that is equal to X plus 25 plus Y, that is equal to 56, which implies X plus Y, that is equal to 56 plus 25 comes right hand side minus 25. So X plus Y, that is equal to 56 minus 25, that is equal to 31. Let it be number 2. Now, in triangle ABC, since it is a right angle triangle, we can use the Pythagoras theorem. Square of the hypotenuse that is BC, that is equal to sum of the squares of the other two sides. Other two sides are AB and AC. Okay. Square of the hypotenuse BC square equals sum of the squares of the other two sides, that is AB square plus AC square. BC length from the diagram, that is 25 square. AB, that is equal to X square. AC, that is equal to Y square. Once again, BC, that is equal to 25 square. AB, that is equal to X, therefore X square. AC, that is equal to Y, therefore Y square. which implies x square plus y square that is equal to 25 square that is equal to 625. 25 square means 25 into 25 that is equal to 625. That is equation number 3. Now we have to solve 2 and 3. How to solve? From equation 2, I find either x or y, which implies I consider y that is equal to 31 minus x. 31 minus x I consider as equation number 2. Okay, not this one. I highlight that one. Now, equation number 3 implies, listen, x squared, write as it is, plus y squared. Y here it is, what is y? 31 minus x. So y squared can be written as 31 minus x the whole square, that is equal to 625. This is taken from which equation? Second equation, right? X squared plus, here you can apply a minus b whole square formula, that is a squared plus b squared minus 2 into a into b. Formula a square plus b square minus 2ab, that is equal to 625. For your reference, I write the identity of a minus b the whole square. What is it? What it is? A squared plus b squared minus 2ab. X squared plus 31 squared equals 31 into 31. 31 into 31 multiply 1 into 1 1 1 into 3 3 3 1s are 3 3 3s are 9, that is equal to 961. Right here 961 plus x squared minus 2 into 31 equals 62. 62 into x, 62x plus 625 comes left hand side, minus 625, that is equal to 0. Now x squared plus x squared equal to 2x squared, then minus 62x. 2x squared minus 62x. 2x squared minus 62x. Then 961 minus 625. 961 minus 625. I do it here. 961 to 25. Sorry, 625. 1 cannot be, so I have to borrow. If you borrow, 6 becomes 5 and 1 becomes 11. 11 minus 5, that is equal to 6. 5 minus 2, that is equal to 3. And 9 minus 6, that is equal to 3. 336 plus 336, that is equal to 0. Okay. Now, before solving, we can divide by 2, because 2, 62, 336, each and every number can be divided by 2. If we divide, 2 to get cancelled, x squared. 62 by 2, that is equal to 31, 31x. If we divide 1 time, balance 1, 2, 6 are 12, balance 1, 8, that is equal to 0. 168. Now you have to factorize. Coefficient of x squared equals 1. 1 into 168 is 168. And the coefficient of x, that is equal to minus 31. How to find the two numbers? Take 168. Divide only by the prime number. 2 table, 8 times, 4 times. Again divide by 2 table, 42. Again divide by 2 table, 21. Again divide by 3 table 7 times, divide by 7 table 1 time. In which combination you can get that 31? Okay, 28 and yeah, we can take 2 2s are 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24, 24 and 7. I got the two numbers, 24 and 7. For getting minus 31, you have to introduce minus for both the numbers. Then only you can get minus 31. Add the two numbers, minus 24 minus 7, that is equal to minus 31. If you multiply the two numbers, minus into minus plus, 24 sevens are 168. Now, we can get the values of x directly. What is the coefficient of x squared here? The coefficient of x squared is 1. Change the sign, write minus 1 in the denominator. Okay? Minus minus get cancelled. Minus minus get cancelled. 24 by 1 is 24. And or x, that is equal to 7 by 1 is 7. X has double values, 24 and 7. Which one to be taken? First I take 24. We can find the value of y. After that we can decide which one is the smallest side. Okay. When x that is equal to 24, I am going to find y. Y, that is equation number 2. Equation number 2, we have y that is equal to 31 minus x. Equation number 2 implies y that is equal to 31 minus x. X value is 24. 31 minus 24 equals 7. Okay. Or I take x equal to 7 now. When x that is equal to 7, the same equation number 2 implies y that is equal to 31 minus x. What is the value of x? That is equal to 7. So 31 minus 7, that is equal to 24. So if we consider x as 24, y value 7. If we consider x equal to 7, y value is 24. I draw the diagram. If it is 7, it will be 24. If it is 7, it will be 24. Anyway, this one is 25. Hypotenuse length is 25 only. 25 centimeter. 24 centimeter, 7 centimeter, 24 centimeter, 7 centimeter. Because 24 square is 576, 7 square is 49. 576 plus 49 equals 625, because 25 square 625. The Pythagoras theorem is satisfied. Even here the same. 7 square is 49, 24 square is 576. 576 plus 49, that is equal to 25 square, that is 625. So whatever the diagram, which one is the smallest side? Either 7, 24 or 25, or 24, 7 or 25. Which one is the smallest side? 7 centimeter is the smallest side. Therefore, final result, the smallest side of the triangle smallest side of the right-angled triangle, that is equal to 7 centimeter. That's all. Even the 10th problem is completed. Exercise 3.12 is over. Thank you, children.